Hello everyone, I'm Ava. Today, we aren't just looking at a car. We are exploring a manifesto of French luxury on wheels. This is the 2026 DS4 Hybrid. While the premium compact segment is crowded with German efficiency, DS Automobiles has taken a different path, one paved with haute couture, craftsmanship, and avant-garde technology. The 2026 model represents the pinnacle of the brand's art of travel philosophy. It's designed for those who find traditional luxury too predictable. With its sharpened light signature and the seamless integration of its new hybrid powertrain, the DS4 is no longer just a beautiful alternative. It is a formidable leader in the transition to refined electrification. Let's peel back the layers of this Parisian masterpiece. Look at those lines. The DS4 Hybrid is arguably the most beautiful car in its class. The 2026 refresh brings the DS Matrix LED Vision headlights to a new level of intelligence, adapting to the road with surgical precision. Notice the daytime running lights, 98 individual LEDs that create a vertical light curtain, a signature that is unmistakable even from a distance. The DS wings connect the grille to the lights with a diamond tip pattern that glitters like jewelry. As we move to the side, the flush-fitting door handles emerge as you approach, maintaining the car's aerodynamic purity. At the rear, the laser-etched scale effect on the lights creates a 3D depth that is simply mesmerizing. This isn't mass production. This is automotive tailoring. Step inside, and the world outside simply vanishes. This is the DS Lounge. The 2026 interior is a masterclass in haptic luxury. Every surface you touch is either high-quality Nappa leather, Alcantara, or forged carbon. Look closely at the Clous de Paris galochage, a watchmaking technique used here on the switches and vents to provide a tactile experience unlike any other. The DS Iris system is now faster and more intuitive, acting as your personal digital assistant with natural voice recognition. And we cannot ignore the DS Smart Touch, a dedicated gesture control screen that allows you to access your favorite functions without ever taking your eyes off the road. This is technology that doesn't scream for attention. It serves you in silence. Under the hood, the 2026 hybrid system has been optimized for even greater efficiency. Whether you choose the plug-in hybrid or the new self-charging variant, the transition between electric and gasoline power is imperceptible. In pure EV mode, the DS4 glides through the city with a ghostly silence, supported by the DS Active Scan suspension. A camera behind the windshield scans the road ahead, detecting imperfections and adjusting each wheel independently before you even hit the bump. It is a magic carpet ride for the modern era. The hybrid system isn't just about saving fuel, it's about providing instantaneous torque and a serene driving experience that perfectly complements the cabin's isolation. The DS4 Hybrid 2026 is a car for the connoisseur, the person who values the story behind the stitch and the soul behind the sensor. It proves that electrification doesn't have to be cold or clinical. It can be emotional, elegant, and deeply personal. I'm Ava, and I want to know, in a world of SUVs, does the artistic elegance of the DS4 make it your top choice for a premium hybrid? Or is the French flair too bold for your taste? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the world of high-end mobility.